In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default Apple Pay card on iPhone. If you use Apple Pay a lot, setting the right default card saves time at checkout and helps you earn the rewards you expect. Here's how to switch it in just a few taps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the gray gear icon on your home screen or app library. Next, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This area manages your Apple Pay settings, including which card comes up first when you pay, and other transaction defaults. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Transaction Defaults. This section controls the info Apple Pay fills in automatically, like your default card. Tap Default Card. You'll see a list of the cards currently added to Apple Pay on your iPhone. Each card will display its bank name and the last four digits, so it's easy to confirm you're picking the right one. If you use different cards for work and personal spending, choose the one you use most frequently. Select the card you want to use as your default payment card. After you tap it, a check mark will appear next to your choice, confirming it's set. From now on, that card will show up automatically when you double press the side button to pay or when you use Apple Pay in apps and online. If you ever want to use a different card for a specific purchase, you can still switch at checkout. Just tap the card on screen and choose another one for that transaction only. This change only affects payments made with Apple Pay on this device. It doesn't alter your physical card or billing information in other apps or services. A quick tip: choose the card you reach for most often or the one with the best cash back or points for everyday purchases. Setting it as your default makes contactless payments faster, especially at stores where you want to just hold your iPhone near the reader and go. Keep in mind that your Apple Pay default on iPhone is device specific. If you also pay with an Apple Watch, its default card can be different. Authentication stays the same as always. You'll confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode depending on your model. That's all there is to it. Changing the default doesn't remove your other cards. It simply tells Apple Pay which one to offer first. You can come back to this screen anytime to switch again, like during a holiday promo or when a new card arrives. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.